Welcome to LPT Realty, where we're all about empowering real estate agents to achieve their very best. Today we're diving into the Business Builder Plan, a straightforward, lucrative way for agents to maximize their earnings. Our Business Builder Plan is designed for everyone, no matter where you are in your career. Whether you're not closing a ton of deals but still want to make the most of your income, or you're already a top producer looking to pay less to your broker so that you can reinvest in your business, this plan makes sense for you. Here's how it works. Under the Business Builder Plan, you pay just $500 per transaction with a cap of $5,000 annually. Once you've reached this cap, you get to keep 100% of your commissions for the rest of the year. There are no sign-up fees, no monthly fees, just a $500 annual fee that's actually just taken from your first transaction of the year. Here's a simple scenario. Let's say you close 15 transactions a year. For the first 10 transactions, you'll pay $500 each. That totals $5,000, reaching your cap. After, for the remaining 5 transactions, you keep 100% of the commission. This means more money stays in your pocket as you continue to grow your business. Plus, as a business builder, you get access to fantastic benefits like listing power tools, LPT Connect, comprehensive training and support, and the opportunity to earn stock, recruit a downline, and even join a team if you choose. Now let's consider another scenario. Imagine you close just 8 transactions this year. That's $500 per transaction, totaling $4,000. You've still paid less than the annual cap, and you continue to enjoy all the benefits without incurring additional transaction fees. The Business Builder Plan offers flexibility and control, making it perfect for agents with varying levels of transaction volume. Now, one thing to keep in mind, there is a $195 transaction fee for every transaction, regardless of whether or not you've hit your cap. One other major benefit is that because the revenue share exists inside this organization, you have an upline, meaning you have somebody who sponsors you into the company, who now has a vested interest in seeing you succeed because the company pays them out of their proceeds. So it doesn't come out of your pocket. It comes from the company to compensate that person for having brought you in. What that means is they have a major interest in seeing you succeed, and it's an additional layer of help. Are you ready to take your real estate career to the next level? Join LPT Realty today with our Business Builder Plan. Want to learn more? Go into the description below, and you can either sign up or book one-on-one time with us to learn more.